A very good morning to all my dear students of class 7. This is the second class of the week. Today I will start teaching you the text Wonder by R.J. Palacio, which is an extract from the original novel named Wonder. As I have told you the story yesterday in a nutshell, this is the experience that August had as a child who is deprived from going to school because of the diseases he was suffering from, and he was homeschooled by his mother. So today we will know from the perspective of August himself, who is a child of 10 years who is about to go to school for the first time in his life, and he will join at the 5th grade. So all of you open page number 8 from your course book, English course book by Ratnash Sagar publication. August. Why I didn't go to school? I know I'm not an ordinary 10-year-old kid. I mean, sure, I do ordinary things. I eat ice cream, I ride bike, I play ball, I have an Xbox, stuff like that makes me ordinary, I guess. And I feel ordinary inside. But I know ordinary kids don't make other ordinary kids run away screaming in playgrounds. I know ordinary kids don't get stared at wherever they go. But I am kind of used to how I look by now. I know how to pretend I don't see the faces people make. We have all gotten pretty good at that sort of thing. Me, mom, and dad. Via. Actually, I take that back. Vi is not good at it. She can get really annoyed when people do something rude. So, this is the version of August himself. He knows that he looked different. Wherever he went, people looked at him inquisitively. Their behavior, their facial expression clearly showed that it is just due to the deformed face that August has, making people behave in a rude manner. It was normal for his father, mother, his sister, and his sister never liked people behaving in a rude and strange manner at his brother's appearance. But the experiences in August's life has given him strength to overlook all these things, to overlook people's rudeness and ignorance, just because he looked different, just because he is having a deformed face. He thinks that he is just like other children of his age. He thinks himself to be normal, but people don't think him to be normal. People think that he is somebody strange. So wherever he used to go, people used to look at him. But August has accustomed with all these odd situations because he knew that he could not help it. People will talk about these things, but he will have to adjust with all these things. He thinks why people look at him because as he behaves in the same manner like the other children of his age. He also liked to eat ice cream. He also wanted to play different video games like other children of his age. But people considered him to be different. Okay. As all of you are very young at this age, you may feel sorry about August while reading the story, the extract. But it's quite common. These are the things that are happening inside the psyche of those people who become the victim of all these diseases unknowingly, without any scene, without any reason. They don't understand why they become the victim of it, but they have to live a different life. a life of negligence in the society by the same children of his age, and people are not ready to make friendship with them. Okay? Vaya doesn't see me as ordinary. She says she does, but if I were ordinary, she wouldn't feel like she needs to protect me as much. And mom and dad don't see me as ordinary either. They see me as extraordinary. How nice of him. He nicely states that Vaya, his sister, treats him, Vaya tells that she treats him like an ordinary child, but he knows Vaya never treats him ordinarily like other children. Because if Vaya thought him to be normal, Vaya would never have protected him as much as she always did. She, as a protective sister, just due to the physical problems that August was facing, always wanted to protect him. And that overprotective nature of his sister always made August feel that Vaya is overprotective, and Vaya considers her brother August to be somebody special, not like ordinary children. And August's parents, both the parents of August, considered August to be extraordinary. Okay, because August was extraordinary. Maybe he looked different, but he had the courage to fight with all the odds in his life. That made him extraordinary. I think the only person in the world who realizes how ordinary I am is me. So he knows very well that he is the only person on this earth, that he, August himself, is the only person on earth who thinks him to be ordinary, like others. My name is August, by the way. I won't describe what I look like. Whatever you are thinking, it's probably worse. Next week, I start 5th grade. Since I have never been to a real school before, I am pretty much totally and completely petrified. People think I haven't gone to school because of the way I look. But it's not that. It's because of all the surgeries I have had. 27 since I was born. That is why my parents decided it was better if I didn't go to school. I am much stronger now. Though, the last surgery I had was 8 months ago, and I probably won't have to have any more for another couple of years. So, now August is sharing his experience that he will start going to school at the 5th grade next week. People think that he never went to school because people thought he never went to school because he looked different. But that was not the reason. He could never attend the school because doctors have never given him permission to attend schools. Because he had to undergo 27 surgeries. And the last surgery he had was 8 months back. And the doctor said, now he can go to school because the next surgery that he is going to have is after 2 years. Last surgery he had was 8 months back. Next he will have after 2 years. So since his childhood, at the age of 10, a child says that he has undergone 27 surgeries, which never allowed his doctor to give him permission to go and attend school. But he knows very well that other children think he never goes to school because he is having a deformed face. Now, children, we hardly try to get deeper into a matter. We just have our prejudices. We think, we form a notion in our mind about somebody and behave accordingly. But maybe there are harsh truth hidden behind the reality. Okay? That was in the case of August. People thought he never attended because he looked different. But why he looked different? That nobody knew. And as a child of 10 years, how he felt like undergoing each time while he was under the surgery table. He was in the operation table for surgery. How bad he felt like. How much pain he felt. Still he is having the courage to join the school. Okay. Mom homeschools me. She used to be a children's book illustrator. Children's book illustrator means all the books were being illustrated, explained to him by his mother. She draws really great fairies and mermaids. Her boy stuff isn't so hot, though I haven't seen her draw anything in a long time. I think she's too busy taking care of me and Vaya. So, mother teaches him. Mother can draw these mermaids and all these things that a girl child prefers very nicely. But the boy stuff, mother never always draw it beautifully. Now mother cannot draw everything, draw anything, does not want to draw anything for us because she has become too much tired. Because she had to take care, the mother had to take care of his ailing son and daughter. Daughter is all right. So she is such a soft-minded boy, child, that he felt that his mother was really working hard for them. Such a sensitive child August was. I can't say I always wanted to go to school because that wouldn't be exactly true. What I wanted was to go to school, but only if I could be like every other kid going to school. Have lots of friends, hang out after school and stuff like that. I cannot say that I just wanted to go to school because I wanted to study there. August is saying in first person narrative. Or my intention of going to school, that was not everything that I wanted to have. What I wanted to have, what I really wanted to enjoy is the company of other children, like the other children of the school. As the other children of the school enjoyed the company of their friends, I also wanted to have the same for myself. So this is what August felt like. Up to this is August's version. August told it in first person narrative. Next, as I told you in the previous class, about Summer's version that we will study in next day's class. So I hope you have understood up to this. If you face any difficulty in understanding understanding any part, feel free to ask me. You can write in comment box. You can write in your class group where I am included in both the class 7 if you have any problem. So as a teacher, what I will tell you, read the text thoroughly time and again. Read it thoroughly again and again, okay? And it's a wonderful story. You will enjoy it. So read up to this. If you find any unknown word, tough word, whose meaning you want to know, I will recommend you to sit with a pencil, underline the difficult words and consult a dictionary, okay? Or Google the words. Try to know the use of the word. The meaning. Meaning is not the only thing. Try to know the use also. So bye for today. Tomorrow I will teach you Summer's part. Okay. August's friend, only friend, Summer. So that part we will read tomorrow. Bye. Have a good day.